Okay, so I've got another problem here that I'm doing out, and basically, because I tripped up on my words and I don't want to have to redo the whole writing of the problem, I'll just tell you what I did here. Basically, my original problem was y plus 1.7y plus 1.8 equals negative 3.6 times, in parentheses, y plus 6.5. So what I did here is I distributed the negative 3.6 into the y and into the 6.5, so I end up with negative 3.6 take away 23.4. The rest of the problem stays the same. From there, what I did, there's kind of two steps put together. So what I can basically tell you is that I took 1y and 1.7y, added them together, I got 2.7y. And then what you see here is some parentheses. After I did that, I put parentheses around both sides, and I multiplied both sides by 10. And what that is that's a little trick to get rid of decimals. Sometimes people will do that. Sometimes people will just work with the decimals. But if you decide to do the little trick, you just choose the power of 10 that gives you the total number of decimal shifts that will get rid of all the decimals. And since every decimal was in the tenths place, 10 was the factor that would accomplish removing the decimal. If you had something maybe in the hundredths place, like let's say you had 2.83, that 3 in the hundredths place would merit multiplying both sides by 100. So we've got that taken care of, and once we did that, we ended up with 27y plus 18 equals negative 36y minus 234. Okay, so after I took care of that, added 36 to both sides. When I did that, I got 63y plus 18 equals negative 234. Subtract 18 from both sides. That's going to give you 63y equals negative 252. Divide both sides by 63. You're going to end up with y equals negative 252 over 63, and that divides in to 63 divides into negative 252 negative 4 times. So 4 times, and the sign would be negative, which means that your solution is y equals negative 4.